Good morning, fishermen. Crappy old rain again. Had lots of that lately. Farmers need the moisture though, but that's all good. Doesn't bother the ducks or the fish. It's going to get some. Rightio, fishermen. We got a fish on. Bugger's gone in the weed, which is rather annoying. So we just got to take it easy. I managed to snap my line the other day, swinging on it too hard. Fish is still there. Yeah, there he is over there. But they wrap around the weed, eh? You just got to take it easy with them. As I said, swinging on it too hard the other day, I managed to snap the braided monofilament. I managed to get the line back. There we go. Heading towards the rail boat. Not having that. Come away from the rail boat. Hooked him under the jaw, right? Must have been just nodding its head against the glow bug. It's hooked it under the jaw. It looks like a little jack. Doesn't matter, he's going home anyway. Reasonable fish. Oh, there we go. Great jack. Got a bit of colour on this one. They're starting to colour up now, which is good. Hatchery fish. That's all good. Where the blackberry came from. Gets to go home. Wait. Here he goes.